Welcome back, everyone. Today we're going to do a workout with weights. It's only about 6 different exercises, but we're going to repeat everything twice for 40 seconds with 15 seconds rest. So grab yourself a pair of weights. Even if you have lighter and heavier weights, you can switch between. That'll be great. And we'll get started. So grab your weights. We're going to start with a leg exercise. Some side to side squats. So just take the shoulders back, let the arms hang. And we're going to step right and left, push out the knees a bit. Here we go. So think of bringing your shins back, hips back. Keep the shoulders relaxed. About 10 more seconds. And then we're going to change into an upper body move. Okay, so rest it out. Take a moment, shake it out. We're going to do some overhead presses. So take the feet nice and wide. Spread the toes, soft knees, shoulders roll back, bring the weights up, chest is lifted, press it up. Keep the breath flowing. Squeeze your behind, keep the legs strong. You can always do one arm at a time if it starts to get too challenging. Use that core. Couple seconds. Okay, perfect. So rest that. Just roll the shoulders, release the neck, shake it out a little bit. Take a moment's break. A few more seconds, and then we're going to come back to that side to side squat. Okay, so start center. Shoulders down, step it side to side. So squeeze the shoulder blades back. It's not just for the legs. You can work that upper body. Good. Weight a bit more into the heels. A few more seconds to go here. Okay, perfect. Once again, shake it out. We're going to come back to the overhead press. So make sure, a lot of people will lock their knees. Make sure you keep your knees soft. You don't want to lock them, so you can keep the lower body working. Here we go. Full range, as much as you can. Lower ribs drop down and back towards the lower back. Great job. Stay with me. 10 seconds. Almost there. Okay, perfect. So release that. Back to the legs. We're going to start with a clock lunge. So you're going to go front, side, back, front, side, back, all the way around. So take the feet about hip width apart. We'll start with stepping it forward and then out to the side. You can either squat or full lunge out. And then we're going to go back. Same leg. Good. So you don't have to do this. You can keep it to a squat. And forward. So a little more challenging is if you keep that foot up, challenge the balance, and forward. That's good. Whoop. Great. Inside and back. A little bit longer. Okay, there you go. One side down, we'll switch sides. Shake it out again. Okay, so yeah, focus, use your breath, use the exhale to push yourself back through center. So we'll start lunging forward, side, and back front. That's good. Side, and center, forward. And again. So you can always tap down center if it's getting too challenging to balance. That's good. A few more seconds. Once more forward. Okay, great. So come onto the floor, either from the knees or the toes. We're gonna work the back, pulling the elbows back like so. So find what works for you. Okay, here we go. Squeeze. So you can be on your knees if you want. Use that exhale, pull shoulder, elbow back. Good core work. 10 seconds. Almost there. Okay, perfect. So we're gonna stand it back up. We're gonna do the clock again, but we're gonna go back, side, front, reverse. Okay, a few more seconds to rest. So keep the chest lifting, step back first, then go side, then front. It's good. Inside and front. Good. "15 seconds. Few more seconds. Okay, perfect. Shake it out. Now once again, keep the shoulders released, keep the arms hanging. We want the weight to affect the legs, so just let the arms release. We're gonna step it back first. Deep breath. And back. Good. And forward. Press off the heels, shift the shin back, going back. And again. And for us, a few more seconds. Ooh, back. Great, okay, come on down again. So you can always be on your knees. If the plank position's too hard, we're gonna do the pull again. Draw shoulders back, squeeze the back of the shoulder. Here we go. Engage the abdominals. Focus. Ten seconds. Great. Okay, come on down, a little more ab work. So you can use one or both weights. We're gonna line our back here, and then you're gonna come up, rotate side, come back center and other side. Here we go, 40 seconds. Few more seconds. We're gonna do one more set of the same thing. Okay, now all I want you to do is just take the other hand on top of the one that was on top. We're gonna do the same thing again. So inhale, reach it back, a few more seconds to rest. And we'll take it up and twist. Rotating. Hang in there, a few more seconds. 5 seconds. All right, there you go. You did it. Well done. I know you feel better now than you did before we started. I'll see you next week.